Like all three of us doing it.
Yeah.
One of all three.
All right, Christopher Sparrow. Oh, let me get you in one shot. A bit late now. Bloody hell. It's like a proper skill. Like.
Yeah.
There's a technique to it. Nice.
These are waterlogged.
What do you mean?
Been out in the rain for so long.
Oh yeah.
But I need to get as many.
Like that, ain't it?
Not one-handed. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, obviously don't hit my fucking shin.
Like, do that. Yeah,
Bro, nice. First time.
Yeah. Cool,
You just done it like it was no big deal.
Bro, look at all the shit that's come out of that.
That's sap.
Whoa.
Yeah. So that's spout.
Just licked it.
So
I didn't.
That's good. That's
Chuck it
good.
over there?
Yeah, just chuck it over there. Maybe like line it up.
Yeah.
Don't stand like that. Stand like this. Just like you're about to kettlebell swing.
Master teaching the apprentice.
Alright.
Okay. Attempting to teach the apprentice.
Start from there.
Okay, have I got it on the wrong side?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Start from there. And then fall.
Hit there, but I got to put some forces there.
Yeah. Start from there and then swing out.
Hey!
Yeah, that's good enough. Try and line up the blade. You're standing too close. Stand back a bit. Yeah. Stand back a bit. Yeah.
How did I manage to do this on my first try?
Like me. We're not gypsy.
Were you aiming that chip trying to hit my dick?
We're not gypsy like you.
You were like an inch away from getting my dick with that one.
Really?
Yeah.
That's big enough.
Yeah.
Do it at the moment. I'm on it. Yeah.
Lose your toes. Hey!